Welcome to day 3 of our 30-day meditation challenge. And today we'll be practicing breathing in the body. So I invite you to get into a posture that feels really supportive. This could be lying down or seated cross-legged in a chair or on the floor, and it could even be standing up. Just finding a posture that allows you to remain both supported and also at ease. And you can begin by letting your eyes softly close, or if it feels more supportive, just having the eyes a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor. So really just allowing the body to settle as we begin our practice, coming into stillness and following this next breath in all the way into the belly. And releasing the breath out through the nostrils. And today we'll focus our attention specifically on the breath in the belly. Many meditation traditions begin here because the breath in the belly is very natural and very grounding and a bit easier to sense than perhaps some of the other places that you experience breath in the body. So as you breathe in, just notice the belly gently expanding. And as you breathe out, notice it softening. So there's nothing to force here. There's nothing to control with the breathing. Just allowing the natural rhythm of the breathing to take place as you let all of your attention rest right in the belly. In meditation, we're not trying to create a special experience of any kind. We're simply just noticing what's already happening. Just breath after breath, noticing the belly feels like this. So let's sit quietly together for a little while, just feeling the breath as it touches the belly on the inside, expanding and contracting that belly with each breath. Your mind may drift off. You might start thinking about your day or about the meditation itself. But when you notice that, simply come back to this sensation of breathing in the belly, that sensation of the breath rising and falling. Just this inhale and just this exhale. And noticing how you feel. Thank you for practicing with me on day 3 of our meditation challenge, and I hope to practice with you again tomorrow. Namaste.